The ultimate goal, I think, is to have a more continuous process and make it easier, because I think there's so much work that goes into a batch planning process, and generally some frustration by some passionate people. And you know, in a continuous process, if you have the right tools to do it, which I believe the Copperleaf process is a very good tool to do this. There's more strategic thinking going on in this, and that it requires less effort to get a better plan. And you know, to go from batch to continuous, you don't have to go at it all in one go. You can take steps, and it's kind of customized to the individual. But getting to from batch to continuous planning and capital really adds a lot of value, because folks are then thinking about the capital plan and how to execute it better, instead of just trying how to develop it, and some frustration around that. So I really believe, you know, having this tool that is both effective and efficient and continuous really can create a lot of value around capital planning and execution.